Lafayette, Katie Easter, KATC, TV3.
That virus cannot read parish lines. We need to look at this from a global perspective. How many in our area? Too many.
With 3 fatalities confirmed in St. Martin Parish, an urgent message tonight from Parish President Chester Cedars. Chris Welty is in St. Martin Parish and continues our team coverage from the Public Safety Complex tonight. Chris.
St. Martin Parish President Chester Cedars was blunt today, saying people need to do their part to stop the spread of COVID-19. He says the virus isn't moving around, but people are.
Fully recognize that a lot of people don't believe this is a real serious medical crisis. Let's face it, there's a lot of people that says, oh, it's no worse than the swine flu, it's no worse than this, it's no worse than that. Well, every health official in this country, every health official in this state doesn't take that approach. So who the hell are we to challenge that?
Cedars drilling the fact that people need to stay at home and heed Governor John Bel Edwards' orders as the number of COVID cases and deaths climb not only in St. Martin Parish, but Acadiana.
Of this executive order that the governor issued is really very clear. If you're in doubt, stay at home. That's what the order says. And I'm afraid that many people, many leaders have pandered to certain industries and certain businesses and tried to get around that order. We should be doing just the opposite.
Dr. Tina Stefanski with the Department of Health and Hospitals says test results are coming back slightly faster.
We know this virus is actively circulating in our community. These are not old cases. So it is important for people now to remain home, not go out unless you're an essential worker, and if you are, go back home.
Stefanski says they cannot trace where the 3 people who died in St. Martin Parish contracted the coronavirus. She believes people of all ages need to be vigilant.
So young people, just as older individuals, need to be concerned. Mortality is still higher in older individuals greater than 80 and with underlying health problems.
I get the fact that people don't like to be housed up. I get the fact that businesses don't like to have to close. I get the economic impact. I get all of that. But the health and safety of our community trumps those factors.
Cedars says many people have asked why a screening and testing site isn't open here in St. Martin Parish. He says the Acadiana region as a whole is trying to consolidate and maximize resources, including medical personnel and personal protective equipment. In St. Martin Parish, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.
36 new deaths were reported in Louisiana. The latest numbers, there are more than 2,700 confirmed cases. 119 people have died, and all but 10 of Louisiana's parishes have seen at least one case. Governor Edwards says the numbers in rural parishes are low because of a lack of testing right now.